This video is just a little update on what's going on in the workshop today, not a specific subject. We've got an E500 estate here. You can just about see it, it's quite a big thing. In for rear brake lines. This was recovered in with an SBC warning on the dashboard, and transpires there's actually no brake fluid in the system, which you know, is quite useful to have brake fluid in the system. This car had a leak from the ABC line, the brake line here. Just been rubbing against this clip that holds it on, so we're running new rear brake lines, we're running new front brake lines as well, just so that it doesn't happen again in a couple of years. This wasn't picked up on the MOT because on this car, as you can see, there are under tray panels that cover this section of the brake line, and it's only visible from sort of just up here. So this section out is visible by the MOT testers, so that's the only thing they're going to look at because they're not allowed to remove any under trays. So Matt is over there just flaring up some new lines, and we're going to get them on the car, get it all filled up, and that'll be fun. Leon, the apprentice, is currently putting some wheel bolts in a Ferrari, but we won't touch on that because we're not Ferrari specialists or Honda Goldwing specialists, which we've got floating around over there as well. Quite a frosty day today. What have we got going on outside? We have... we've got all the 600's been taken out of the storage. We're going to do a few bits and bobs on that. We're going to do video on this car specifically. C140 V12, not many of these floating around. This one has quite a rusty, you can see down there, quite a rusty front subframe mount, so we're going to get that welded up and this will be restored to its former glory to some extent. You know, we're not going to go crazy on it, so watch this space.